We are approaching the end of 2023, and maybe you've given up on making any significant financial achievements this year. But what if I told you that it was still possible to hit it big before 2024 comes around? It sounds unbelievable, but friend, it is. There are a number of hidden opportunities that are just waiting to be seized. All you need are the right strategies and a bit of an entrepreneurial spirit, and you will enter 2024 well stacked. In this video, we'll explore 6 money-making opportunities that could earn you thousands of dollars before New Year's Eve. And number 5 might even shock you. Whatever you do, make sure you don't miss this video because it's definitely going to be the best thing you're going to watch at the start of Q4 2023. Let's get into it. Crypto and day trading. Investing in cryptocurrencies and engaging in day trading has become a popular means of generating income. And it's not a coincidence because many people have found success trading crypto and forex. Sure, the wild volatility of the crypto market means that the value of assets could drop drastically, seemingly overnight. But it also means that you could wake up to lots of money in your account just from making a small investment. There is hardly any other investment option that would give you that. However, we've got to say that crypto trading is not for everyone, only those who are cool with risks. If you're risk-averse, you may not like the crypto field so much and you might prefer the other money-making opportunities on our list, so sit tight. But if you live for the thrill and you want to jump into crypto trading, then it is important that you do not gloss over the risks. The risks are really significant, so it is advised that you do a lot of research on the crypto market and the specific cryptocurrencies that you want to invest in before you venture into anything. It is also crucial that you put in the effort to understand the principles of trading and stay updated on market trends. Remember that the crypto and forex markets are volatile. What you knew about it last week might have changed, so remain updated. In addition to all of that, make sure to use reliable platforms and only invest what you can do without, especially as a beginner. Do not invest your rent expecting to be able to double it in no time. You would be surprised, sometimes pleasantly, other times not so much. But that's a risk that you can't afford to take, especially not with your rent or something else as important. Patience, strategic planning, and risk management are key to success in this volatile market. But if the crypto market is not your thing, then the next item on our list might just be up your alley, especially if you've been looking at breaking into the gig economy. Learning a skill. There's no overstating the fact that investing in yourself by acquiring new skills can open up lucrative opportunities. Nowadays, when we think about learning skills, our minds immediately go to something in the tech space, like coding. And that's legit because there are a lot of tech opportunities right now, especially with the explosion of artificial intelligence. Plus, the tech space pays really well, and getting paid is really what it's all about, isn't it? However, if you are not really interested in the tech space, there are other profitable skills that you can learn that are in high demand right now. There's graphics designing, photography, virtual assistants, digital marketing, and so on. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable and accessible courses, and some of those courses are even free. In fact, there are YouTube training videos that are detailed enough to get you started. You just need to be really committed to learning, and in no time at all, you should be able to start making money with your skills. But maybe you don't have the time or inclination to learn new skills. So how about you become your own boss and start your own business? The next money-making opportunity we're about to show you is actually one of the easiest and fastest ways to do it in a highly profitable way. E-commerce. E-commerce is basically just selling something online. And with the way the world is right now, there's hardly anything that you can't sell online. And we mean anything. The most important thing is to figure out what you want to sell. And to do that, you could either go niche and sell something that a specific group of people like, or sell something that is used by a wide variety of people. There are upsides and downsides to both strategies, though. The market for niche products is obviously small, so you would have fewer customers. But niche products are usually quite expensive, so that might be enough to help you make a significant amount of money. On the other hand, there's a large market for widely used products. But there's also the issue that the market might already be oversaturated, so it might be difficult for you to get your foot in. You'd really need to sit down and weigh the pros and cons before picking a product. Once you've decided on a product, you can then decide how you want to sell. You can dropship if you don't want to rent storage space, sell on Etsy if you are selling handmade crafts and things like that, or sell your products on any of the social media platforms. There's an even much easier way to go about this, which we'll show you shortly. So keep watching. But back to the point, establishing an online store is now easier than ever with platforms like Shopify. providing you with the tools to reach a global audience. Just make sure to research your target market, optimize your website for conversions, and provide excellent customer service. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Alright, so here's the much easier way to go about e-commerce like we mentioned earlier. If you're looking for a streamlined e-commerce experience where almost everything is done for you, Amazon FBA is a promising option. This program allows you to sell products on Amazon without the hassle of managing inventory and fulfillment. You still need to decide on the product that you want to sell. Amazon won't do that for you. You would also need to market your products by yourself. But as far as procuring the products and sending them out go, Amazon does the work for you. Because a lot of the work is already done for you, success on Amazon FBA is hinged on effective product research, branding, and marketing. You have to stay informed about Amazon's policies and continuously optimize your listings for better visibility. The fact that Amazon will manage your inventory and fulfill your orders does not mean that you can just relax and do nothing. Remember that it is not Amazon's duty to make your products successful, it's their duty to make sure that your customers, the ones that you attract, get the products that they pay for. And with that said, let's get to the number 5 money-making opportunity on our list. This one might shock you a bit, so get ready. Real estate ventures. Now, this option requires more starting capital than the other recommendations made in this video, which is why you might be surprised that we've listed it in this video. But keep watching because even the real estate industry has evolved and is now more accessible than before. Without a doubt, real estate is one of the most profitable ventures. So if you have a significant nest egg that you've been wondering what to do with, consider venturing into the real estate market. You could buy a property to flip and sell, or you could use that property to generate rental income, or maybe just hold it as a long-term investment. You could also rent out some of the space you already have, like a room in your house or something. Any of those options would be a good idea to earn a living. However, if you don't have as much money but still want to get into real estate, there are now ways that you can do that. Did you know that there are now crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate with little money? Well, yes, there are. Take advantage of these platforms and break into the real estate game for a chance to earn big. Whatever route you'll be taking, though, thorough research into the real estate market is of the essence. Make sure to explore different investment options and, if possible, consult with professionals in the field. Speaking of professionals, so you know so much about a particular subject. Did you know you could make tons of cash selling that knowledge? Let's check out our final item on today's list. Freelancing and consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, it's hard to go wrong with working as a freelancer. I must say that for skills like content writing and graphics design, the market is kind of saturated. But it just means that you need to put in the effort to be really good. Once you can get your freelance gig going, it can be one of the most lucrative things that you could do. There are many platforms where you can thrive as a freelancer or consultant. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with businesses seeking your services. You just need to compete for attention by creating a compelling profile, showcasing your portfolio, and actively seeking out opportunities to build a steady stream of income. At the end of the day, whichever money-making venture you decide to go with, the most important thing is to take action. Don't just sit around and think about making money. Start taking steps towards your goal today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.